think I might have hit on this before, but I feel like I should hit on it again. If you want your mechanic to treat you better than all of the other hundreds of faces he's probably going to see in a day, especially in a league, clean your engine compartment. Please. That is one of the best things you can do for your mechanic. Because speaking from a mechanic standpoint, the last thing we like doing is working on dirty, nasty cars. If your car comes in clean, and it's easier, it makes it easier for us to find things. When it's easier for us to do our job, we take better care of things. So we might actually take time to go, oh, I got that a little bit dirty, I'm gonna clean that off. I'm not speaking for everybody. I'm just saying, clean it up. Take some time in the engine compartment. Just don't pressure wash the things that you're not supposed to pressure wash. Don't pressure wash your battery. Don't pressure wash. Actually, yeah, they pretty much put warnings on everything. So if it looks like a pressure washer and it's got a cross over it, don't pressure wash it. Take time, clean your vehicle, you'll get treated better, trust me.